The defendant in a love triangle murder trial took the stand today in her own defense. Lisa Dykes is charged with stabbing Marisela Botello, in a jealous rage after Dykes found her boyfriend in bed with the victim. Today, Dykes told a very different story. Fox 4's Alex Boyer was in court for her testimony and joins us live. Alex.
Hi, Clarice. Lisa Dykes remained calm and collected the entire time she was on the witness stand today. She claims that she never met Marisela Botello and that she certainly did not kill her. She also claims that she and Charles Beltran were never intimate. Testifying in her own defense, murder suspect Lisa Dykes told the jury she moved Charles Beltran into her Mesquite home because she was investing in his music career, and that was it.
Was it a love interest thing?
No. Chuck was and continued to always be a business interest that went sideways.
But Beltran told the jury a different story. He pled guilty to a lesser charge of tampering with evidence and testified for the prosecution last week, saying that he, Dykes, and her wife, Nina Morano, the third defendant in this case, were involved in an intimate three-way relationship. Dykes even bought him a luxury car, a black Audi A3.
I bought the car as an investment and a tax deduction, basically, for him in his career. I set up a company for him.
In the early morning hours of October 5th, 2020, Dykes is accused of stabbing Marisela Botello to death inside the Mesquite home where the trio lived. Botello, who was visiting from Seattle, met Beltran outside of a bar in Deep Ellum. Beltran testified Dykes stabbed her to death when she caught the two in Beltran's bed. Dykes claimed she wasn't even home at the time.
It was one of the larger distribution centers in the area.
Dykes claims she went with Morano, who is an attorney, to a FedEx center in Hutchins that morning to try and locate some legal documents Morano needed ASAP. The prosecution maintains the two women were instead dumping Botello's body in Wilmer, which is nearby.
And is it in that same vicinity that they're saying that your phone's pinged?
I believe it is.
Did you ever go to, what is it, I think it was 3600 Post Oak and drop a body off?
No, sir.
Dykes said the package wasn't there, so they went back home. She also said that Beltran was a violent person who used to beat his dog and carried a gun at all times, contradicting previous witnesses who described Beltran as someone who avoided conflict. Still, she testified she and Morano chose to take his last name when the two women got married.
Beltran was an interesting name. It means raven in Spanish.
Dykes testified she never met Botello and did not stab her. She said she did not know Botello was missing until the FBI contacted her days later.
I had no clue.
And today's proceedings are done. Tomorrow, the prosecution will continue its cross-examination of Lisa Dykes.